Now, after Rahul Gandhi claimed that there were discrepancies and manipulation during polling in Karnataka as well and lashed out at the Election Commission over this, you have now got the Karnataka Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister backing Rahul Gandhi's claim against the EC. Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar have agreed that yes, there was some manipulation. DK Shivkumar has even claimed that in his own constituency, which is Kanakpura, he claims there was vote manipulation. Now, this even as the Karnataka Election Commission has responded to, in fact, Rahul Gandhi's claim of vote theft, saying that the voter rolls were prepared transparently. There was no question of any sort of manipulation because copies were shared with all parties as well. Let's get you the reaction that's come in now from DK Shivkumar.
I also agree with Rahul Gandhi. Even I also have a very thorough this one. I have made a very detailed investigation on even my Bangalore rural constituency also. Lot of golmals have been done. I don't want to disclose much. I'll come back later on this issue.
Okay, let me bring in Nagarjun Dwarkanath for more details. So on this, Nagarjun, this is now becoming the biggest political talking point in Karnataka. There's no evidence whatsoever that the Congress has put forth to back their charge, but DK Shivkumar claiming that it happened in his own constituency.
Well, that's to the Lok Sabha polls. Congress lost the Bangalore rural seat, which was held by the DK family for a long time. DK Suresh, brother of DK Shivkumar, was the sitting MP till recently. He lost this election. And remember, in 2019, it was that's only seat that Congress won, that was Bangalore rural. And it was unbelievable for them to know that they had lost the seat. And now, after Rahul Gandhi has said that there is some election fraud in terms of voter list in Karnataka also, DK Shivkumar today spoke exclusively saying that it is his own constituency, Bangalore rural constituency, that election fraud has happened. The electoral voter list seems to be manipulated is what he says. And now backing Rahul Gandhi and DK Shivkumar, the Chief Minister also has tweeted, if I can quote him, Akshita, he said that if the very body entrusted with protecting democracy becomes a tool in the hands of those subverting it, the soul of our republic is under threat, is what Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has said. We are yet to figure out what is the number of fraud electoral votes Congress is claiming in terms of Bangalore rural constituency. Rahul Gandhi said very soon the data would be put in public forth to ensure that public also does their own scrutiny. DK Shivkumar on the other hand says he has all the data and will submit to Rahul Gandhi to take up the cause.
Okay, we'll see what how the Congress takes this forward. So far, they haven't really put out any details or evidence, but DK Shivkumar, backing what Rahul Gandhi had said, who claimed that they had analyzed one seat in Karnataka and the data they got back is shocking. Was he referring to the same seat that DK Shivkumar is talking about here? We'll have to wait and see. But the Karnataka Election Commission has issued a clear statement where they've denied all of this, saying all details of the rolls completely transparent and was shared with political parties. Thanks very much, Nagarjun, for joining us with those details. We'll track very closely the reactions that come in on that latest showdown between the Election Commission and the opposition, between the Election Commission and Rahul Gandhi over Karnataka and the Karnataka election results.